Well, one more should be enough. And then this is about half a pound of grated mozzarella. It's not it's just the regular mozzarella, not fresh. If it were fresh, I would have sliced it. This works well enough. Don't want to put too much, it'll get too heavy. And if I get it too close to the edge, then it slips off. And now I can stretch it out a little bit bigger. And check it and make sure it's still slippy. Let's see. So it's still slippy, so
okay.
That means it's ready to launch.
All right.
All right, so I'm going to try. Oops. Yeah, that got went in.
Yep.
Now, you might want to mount it because we have to start turning it, or you want me to turn it?
I can stop it and mount it.
Well, I can turn it.
You can turn it.
Ooh, these are hot.
You put the gloves on.
It's not ready to turn yet.
Turn it with that.
It's hard to turn with this, but at least I got it moved. Once
it's moving, it moves.
yeah. Move it further back. Try to get it in the crust as opposed to in the cheese.
Yeah.
Gotta get the gloves.
Yeah, that's putting out a lot of heat.
It doesn't seem to be getting brown yet because it is on low.
Yeah, but it's still super hot.
It's not beginning to get done. Yeah, that's the only side that's done. That side, I'll leave it there for a while.
Okay.
If it gets a little charred, that's okay too.
Yeah.
That one's charred, so that side's done. I think it needs to sit there for a little bit. Now I'm going to look at it, check it, and see. That looks done, don't you think?
Yeah.
You lift up this side, you can see just how. Oh, it feels crisp.
Yeah.
All right, so it's done.
It's done.
You can turn the oven off.
Okay.